Yes, students. Before starting the concept of what should be added and subtracted, you must be aware about the concept of long division to find out square root. For example, there is a number with you which is 256. You have to find out square root of this number using long division method. So the procedure is write down the number in this way. Start making pairs from the last. पीछे से हम पेयर्स बनाना शुरू करेंगे. 56 का तो पेयर बन गया. The number which is left alone, it's okay. Let it be alone. On one side, write this. 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16, 5 fives are 25, 6 sixes are 36, 7 sevens are 49, 8 eights are 64, and 9 nines are 81. Till here we'll write. Now see the first pair, if it is there, pair we are not having, we are having a number 2. So see the number which is less than 2. It's this one, 1. How it is formed? When 1 is multiplied by 1. When 1 is multiplied by 1, we are getting 1 ones are 1. Subtract these two numbers. Now the next pair will come down. Complete pair will come down. In division we come digit by digit, but in this method we come by pair. Now 156 is here. What you will write here? Whatever is here in the quotient, यहाँ पे जो भी है उसे 2 से multiply करो. Whatever is here multiplied by 2 और उसे double कर दो जो भी है. Now you have to find out a number. आपको इसके पीछे और नीचे यहाँ पे यू हैव टू राइट द सेम नंबर. कुछ ऐसा नंबर लिखना है कि आंसर 156 से छोटा या 156 ही आए. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट अ नंबर हियर विच इज मल्टीप्लाइड द सेम नंबर. इफ आई राइट 3 हियर मैं 3 ही लिखूंगी. इफ आई राइट 4 हियर मैं 4 ही लिखूंगी. इट शुड बी सेम कि मल्टीप्लीकेशन के बाद या तो 156 आए या हमारे पास 156 से छोटा. तो आप बिकॉज यू आर नॉट हैविंग दैट मच प्रैक्टिस तो आप 1 से स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. बट एज आई कैन क्लियरली सी 156 है, 6 पीछे चाहिए. 6 या तो 4 से मिलेगा और आई गेट विथ 6. इन दोनों में से कुछ है तो पहले 4 लिख लेते हैं. 4 4 are 16, 4 2 are 8, 9. It is too small. Now I will write a number 6 on both sides. 6 6 are 36, 6 2 are 12, 12 plus 3, 15. Yes, it is the number. 6 here and 6 here. So roots 256 is equal to 16. Let's teach you one more method by which you can learn 1791. You have to find out square root of this number. Again write down this number in this way. Make pairs from back. Find out below 7. It is 16. How it is formed? When 4 is multiplied by 4. When 4 is multiplied by 4. 4 4s are 16. Correct? Now the next pair would come down. Now how I'll write here, as I told you, double the number. If 4 is written multiplied by 2, it's 8. Now you have to find out a number which you write here, and you get either 191 or you get a number lesser than 191. Okay? For example, I write 1, it will be 81 only. I want this. So let us write 9 into 9. It is greater than this. So there is a number. If I write 2 also, 2 2s are 4, 164. If I write this also, I am left with the remainder. So this number is not a perfect square. Right? This number is not a perfect square. In this way, you find out whether a number is a perfect square or it is not. I hope the concept is clear. One more question. Try this number and see whether it is a perfect square or not. Now this method will be used to find out this kind of sums. What least number must be added or subtracted? Question could be either added or subtracted. Question कुछ भी हो सकता है. To this to make the sum a perfect square. Let us start it. First of all, we'll write 5607 here. We'll start making pairs from backwards. As I have shown you that we will write something which is below 56. See from here. 56 below here. 49. So how 49 is formed? 7 sevens are 49. See, when you multiply 7 by 2, you get 14 here. Now you have to write something here and here so that you get a number either 707 or less than 707. Correct? So let us try. 576 when we multiply by 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17, and if we multiply by 5 both sides, 725. It is a bigger number, so we'll write this 576. It is formed when we multiply by 4. So now let's subtract it. 7 minus 6 1, 10 minus 7 3, 6 minus 5 1. Now 131 is remainder. We are knowing it that 5607 is not a perfect square because we are left with remainder. Now that means 74 is not answer of this. First of all, find out square of 74. What do you get when you multiply 74 into 74? So yes, when you multiply these 74 into 74, you are getting 5476. Immediately next number you have to square. The next number. When you multiply 75 into 75, you will get 5625. Now students see, 74 is not answer of this because 74 square is equal to this. And it is smaller. ये छोटा है. It is 5476. It is 5607. Right? We can't subtract. We have to add. हमें आगे जाना है. So what we will do? हम देखेंगे इन दोनों में. I have to make this number this. मुझे यहाँ तक पहुँचना है. 5607 से 5625 तक पहुँचना है. How I'll reach from this point to this? What I should add? Difference देख लो. It is 18. So you will write 5607 में 18 should be added because when we add 8 we get this, and square root of this we are already knowing it is 75. Right? Now this question has one alternate way also that I am going to discuss. Yes, let's see the another way. The number was 5607. When we start it, we'll get 49, 7, next pair is 07. Now in this way, the trick is when you double it, here find out a number which gives you answer bigger than this. इससे बड़े वाला आंसर आए, छोटे वाला नहीं, इससे बड़े वाला आंसर आए. Let's see, 5 5s are 725. The bigger number you will write. It is easier than that. Minus 18. So 18 is the number. Our answer was 18 only. Add 18 to this and you will get your required answer. Correct? So this is the another way to write a bigger number here. I hope this concept is clear to you. Yes, students, let's start with the last concept of square and square roots. It is find square root of this number correct up to 2 decimal places. Now there are so many numbers which are not perfect square and we have to find out square root of those numbers. So this question is one of those questions. First of all, what you will do, break the mixed fraction. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 4, 19 upon 5. When you divide it, see what you'll get. 3 point, when you divide it, 8. See, 19, 5. 5 3s are 15. 4 here and 0 when you'll put. So 3.8. We have to correct it up to 2 decimal places. See, we have to find the square root and we have to correct it up to 2 decimal places. What does this mean? After decimal, we should have 2 digits. And we have to correct also, and correction is done with the help of next digit. So if they say 2 decimal places, we'll find out 3 because third will be used for the correction. If they say 3 decimal places, we'll find 4. Now after decimal, I need 3 digits. और जितने digits चाहिए उससे डबल होने चाहिए. For example, we need 3. यहाँ पे decimal के बाद हैं कितने? 1. 5 zeros I will put. करेक्ट, क्योंकि यहाँ पे पेयर वाइज होता है क्वेश्चन. सो फॉर 3 digits I need 6 digits after decimal. Now let us start making pairs of this. 1 ones are 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Now decimal we'll put here. Here we'll get 80. Double of this will be 2. I have to write a number here and here, which gives me number lesser than this. Let us try 27 sevens are 189. Now let us try 29 nines are 261. So this is the number. When you write here, you'll get answer. That is 9 here, 9 here, and 261. Subtract it. Double 0 here, and again double of this. 19's double is 36. 38, sorry. Double of 19 is 38. Now we have to write something here and here, which gives answer lesser than this, 1900. Let us try with 5. It is bigger than this, so 384. $1,536. When I write 4 here and 4 here, subtract it. Correct. Now the last pair, double 0 and double of this also. 388. Now at the back side of 388 and here we have to write a number which gives answer lesser than this. So let us try 8. We are getting this. You can try 9 also. 3, 8, 8, 9, 9. So yes, this is the number 9 here and 9 here. So whatever it comes, now we know the square root of this is 1.949. As I told you, third digit will be used for the correction. If this number, the third number is 5 or more than 5, if this number is 5 or more than 5, we'll add 1 here. So the answer is this. If the number would have been like this, अगर ऐसा होता तो I would have written this. अगर 5 से छोटा है तो as it is. But अगर 5 या 5 से बड़ा है तो increase 1 number here and this is your answer. I hope this is also clear, and with this our revision of square and square roots is done. The most important concept with the point of view of board exam is your long division for square roots. We expect the maximum mark question from this concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.